Hey there, welcome to Skipify.ai's YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Database Reactivation Rotation, Skipify's newest system. It's the most powerful, data-driven system designed to unlock highly motivated sellers and put you ahead of the competition. But here's the deal. To take full advantage of the Database Reactivation Rotation, you're going to have to be subscribed to Skipify.ai. The system isn't for everyone. It's for serious wholesalers and real estate professionals who are ready to execute with precision. But here's what you can expect from the system. It's a proven 4-week strategy that systematically revives your lead flow. It's also AI-powered targeting, which means no more guesswork, just results. And it's step-by-step execution to maximize your skip tracing and deal closing potential. By the end of the program, you won't just be generating leads, you'll be closing deals like never before. So let's go ahead and get started. What you're going to do first, if you don't already have a Skipify account, is either head over to the Create Account page or the Pricing page. On the pricing page, you'll see a variety of different plans that we have, and depending on the amount of skip traces that you're going to need per month, you're going to want to sign up for that plan. So the basic free plan is not included in the Database Reactivation Rotation. You won't be able to get access to all the exclusive lists that you need on that plan. So what you're going to want to do is take a look at some of these plans here and figure out what's the amount of skips that you need per month to meet your goals. And so with that, each plan, depending on the amount of skips, the more skips that you purchase per month, the cheaper it is per skip on that plan. So what we'll do is go ahead and get started. Once you create that account, it'll take you to this page where you fill out all this information. Once your account is activated, you'll go ahead and log into your account, which you'll be then taken to your dashboard, which will most likely appear blank if you haven't already utilized Skipify just yet. So then what you're going to want to do if you have not subscribed to a plan is head over to the billing section, and here is where you'll be able to manage your account billing. You'll be able to get invoices, add payment methods, so on and so forth. You'll want to select a plan. Your account would say upgrade or subscribe to one of these plans, depending on what your needs are. And then you'll be required to add your payment method. Once you go ahead and do that, you can also always get access to your invoices here. Once you have subscribed to a plan, you'll have access to all the lists that you need. And so when you are ready, you'll be able to come here, and in our next training videos, we'll be showing you how to pull those specific lists for the Database Reactivation Rotation system. So we got all the quick filters here, all the predefined filters are listed out here, and in our next videos, you'll be able to get a quick glimpse at how to begin pulling those lists. So now that you have the blueprint, the system, the competitive edge, the only question is, are you going to use it? There's 4 weeks, 4 lists, unlimited potential. Your next biggest deal is out there. The data is here. The system is ready. So go ahead and get subscribed and get started pulling those lists. Thanks.